Alright guys, welcome back to 3 Styles for another video. So today is November 30th, current time 4:20 local time here in Houston. Today guys, we're going to be analyzing Ford, ticker symbol F, and for that we're going to be looking at the months, the 3 months, 6 months, and the year. And that's because I like to analyze different data on each, and I don't like to have a jumbled up chart. Alright guys, so let's begin with the month. The very first thing I like to look at is the SMA14 line, this blue dotted line. So that's like my personal main line that I used as a fast swing trader. So if the candles are over it, I'm buying. When they go under it, I'm selling. And when they're going over, buying, right? So currently they just went to under 2 red candles and the first one fully under it. Also on the month, I like to analyze the volume. And as you can see here, guys, it's been steadily decreasing, right? But the thing about that lately is that the negative candles, the red candles, have been increasing. So, and you can see it from right here. Now, usually when you see a spike over the average, like this one, it'll indicate in that direction. You know, if it's like a red candle, it'll indicate a downtrend a bit, or you could just foresee basically what's to come. Like, let's say if this green one was double the size of the average volume, then you might see like something coming up here. But instead, you know, it was a short spike, and it didn't really hold through. See, this one was almost big, but it wasn't, and it did show a little bit of a downtrend. So right now, this one, it does not completely show that it's a downtrend coming, other than the fact that it is 3 red days in a row. And there are some other signals that do indicate that, so I'm going to show you that on the next charts. All right, so on the 3 months, what I like to look at is the MACD, the RSI, and the PSARs, right? So let's begin with the PSARs, which are the yellow dots, guys. So if the PSARs are forming over the candles, it is a negative signal. If the PSARs are forming under the candles, it's a positive signal, right, or a buy signal. So as you can see over here, there was negative, or I'll just say sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, you know, and so on. And right now, it's the first one that's showing you a negative or a sell signal, right, or a take profit signal. Let's say, however you do it, however you trade. And so it's the very first one, just started with today, guys. Also, we're gonna look at the MACD, right? So it's been basically a positive all through all this run, and over here you see that it just, what was this, like 7-8 trading days ago, they crossed to a negative point, guys, and it's getting bigger now. Also the histograms, right? Well, this is the histogram, this is the signal lines together that make up the MACD. They also crossed a bit over here. It did want to test it here for a day, but it didn't last. You know, here it already passed it for a couple of days, so it's like more of a short thing now. You're looking at the RSI. It's been overbought for a while, but like I tell you guys, you don't always just look at that. You look at everything else going on, and now with all the other signals going on together, the RSI is going down. So what this basically tells you guys is that it's very likely now, and well, I'm gonna show you the SMA21 on the next chart. Let me do that right now. So also the SMA21, right, on the 6 months. So this is a more of a standard trading line. I use the SMA14 as a fast one, but mostly everybody else will use the SMA21 as like a medium trade line, guys. So basically, if the candles are forming under it, you're taking profit or selling, right? And when they finally go over it, then you buy, right? And as you can see, you don't have to swing trade as fast as me. You just hold it when it's over the SMA21 and sell or take profit or short sell when they go under it. And today was the first day that it did go under it, right? Now it's not a full candle under it, but like I showed you from the other stuff, it looks like it is going under. So most likely now, that's early signals that I'm seeing is that this is about to be a downtrend because it's already hitting under the SMA21. So if tomorrow a full red candle goes under it, it's an even shorter signal now compared to everything else. So on the year, we're gonna look at the SMA50, the purple line, guys. You see this line here? This is what I always refer to as the healthy, unhealthy line. And most people's secure line to say either the stock is going up or down, because it's an even longer trade signal, but it's a very looked up to signal, guys. So if definitely, even if the SMA21, see, even if it shows under or over, whatever, it'll still somewhat be over the SMA50. And that is because, it's like I told you guys, it's like basically the healthy, unhealthy line of a stock, right? So it's here, it has been over. Now, it's going to be a while before it hits it even a downtrend because it's a very long or late trade signal. But for the most part, it's right. See that over here? You would have sold and not bought to here. And yeah, so according to this, it's still healthy, right? So it could go all the way down and then bounce and go up again. or just get destroyed once it hits it if it goes under it. But there's still time for that. But the other ones are showing me an early downtrend right now. So, and this one would take a while because it's a slower trading signal. But going along with the other ones, I would say just sell now. It's what you will read from the chart. Sell now, and if it hits it, buy it, see if it bounces it. If not, let go again. So also, guys, over here we see that the SMA21 and the SMA50. Now when they cross, either the SMA21 under the SMA or the crosses over the SMA50. So that's also a buy or sell signal. It's even later signal, guys. So over here you crossed under, you would sell. Over here you crossed over, you would buy, sell here, buy here, right? As you can see, it's later than the other ones though, because the SMA50 would have been buy here, like 4 days earlier, and then the SMA21 would have said buy here, like another 4 days earlier. So it's but it is, people do watch these two signals crossing each other, guys. So if this one comes over down enough that it crosses over the under the SMA50 again, another strong sell signal, guys. And well, we also have the SMA20 here with 200, but it usually only if companies really falling will you go under the SMA200, or if it's really prosperous, or it's been really prosperous for like, let's say 6 months or something. If it's doing bad and then you cross over it, then it would come into effect. But as you can see, everything is still showing good over here, long term. This is like if you're somebody that holds for years, though. There's SMA 200. So yeah, guys, from what I could see from the beginning, and I'm sorry I'm a little if I sound a little slow today, I was kind of just waking up. I had a long night, guys, but I haven't made a video in a while, so I'm like, let me make one today. There are some people that follow me, even though it's not enough yet. So this video is for you guys. I know a bunch of people watched my Ford video last time, but yeah, early signals are showing that it's going to be a downtrend, guys. But like I tell you, always look at if anything, look at the SMA21. So if it does fully go under the next few days, you sell it, guys, and don't worry about buying until it goes back over the SMA21, at least if you don't follow all the other signals. And one thing I do want to say is I did start linking up Webull under my description, and I think pin it as a comment. So if you guys want to get started with Webull, and you do it under one of my links, I don't mind showing you how to make your chart similar to mine on Webull. If you get proof that you got your stocks to me, that way we both get, I get free stocks, you get free stocks, and you start investing. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Like again, I'm sorry I felt a little slow today. I kind of just woke up, but I did want to make something today. I haven't made a video like in a week. Thank you. Subscribe if you like it. Let me know if you have any suggestions, and peace.